Y'all, I am so excited. I got a package in the mail. I'm ready to unbox. I want to show you what I got. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, I opened a little bit. Got a little sneak peek. I can't wait to show you. Let's open it together. Y'all, I am so excited about this. I've been waiting on this package. This is a leather kit from Babylon Leather. I am over the moon. Unleash your creativity with Babylon Leather. I already made a purse, and if you have not seen my purse I made, check back on my videos because I show you exactly what I made and how easy it was to make it. And I was so obsessed with it, I had to make another one, so I reached out to them and I'm making another one. And this time I'm so excited because it's like the Birkin look-alike. So cute. I'm gonna put a picture here. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what I got in my kit. I love that the kit comes with everything that you need to create this beautiful bag. All right, here we go. They also add on some extra cuteness. There's some extra tools. There's like a little silk handkerchief so you can like put it around your bag. And there's this little cute horse, leather horse. All right. I feel like I got another one in here too, another scarf. So now I have a couple different scarf colors for me. How cute right there. Okay, so I've got all my different pieces. I love that some of them come already kind of pre-done, and then some of them you have to kind of obviously do the whole thing. The grommets are already there. One thing that I love about this kit is that all the holes are nicely perforated, and it made it so simple and easy to do. The straps are already created, which is awesome, so that saved me a little bit of time. Look how cute they are. It smells heavenly. It smells so good. I love the smell of the leather. Look at these are already, the buckles are already in place, and then it's easy to put together once I'm ready to put together. Then it's got all the different things. Hold on. I'm gonna open up the little bag with this little scarf. That's super cute. I love that. It's got the little snips. It's got a little clip for me to clip the purses together when I'm going through and sewing them. I got the thread. Got the white thread. I've got more handle, another handle. I've got the little latch. I've got the little lock. And I have the little lock here. Ooh, how cute. And here's the key. I'm just gonna wait for it. No, the key's right here. I'm just gonna wait for it. I don't wanna mess it up. Let's see if this key, if this lock works. Do I even know how to open a lock? Oh, it's a working lock. And now this is just a cover on the lock. So that's a gold lock. It doesn't, you know, that comes off once I finish making it. I don't wanna scratch it up. So we'll wait on that. Let's sip it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's got these little things to protect your fingers when you're working on it. You wanna cover your fingers so that your needle doesn't poke you. I don't really like to use them very much, but they come in handy when you're, you know, doing all this stitching. I am so excited to sew this bag up. I hope you are so excited to sew it with me. I'm gonna walk you through the process and show you a little bit of how to do this. And I'm gonna show you my finished results, so stick around and come next time. I'm gonna go ahead and post finished results next time. So subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss it. Check out Babylon Leather. I'm gonna add a link below where you can go ahead and go check them out. They have so many different kits for so many different bags. They are so cute, all of them. It's so hard to decide which one to sew next. But my favorite part is the fact that like I made a bag and now I carry it with me everywhere I go, and people are like, oh, it's such a cute bag. I made it. I made that bag. I made that cute little bag. It's a handmade leather bag. Handmade by who? Handmade by me. Also, isn't it so neat? Like, I want to make one and give it to my mom or my grandma. I think my grandma would die if I made her a handmade leather bag. Like, that is such a great gift. And honestly, if you're gonna get yourself a handmade leather bag, it's gonna cost a lot of money. So this is a great way to get yourself your beautiful handmade leather bag that you get to make yourself. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and sew this up and I'll show you when I'm done. I'm so excited.